Hello everyone, today I would like to share with you vintage audio equipment. Consists of this beautiful Bowers and Wilkinson DM303 speakers, and they will be powered with the Yamaha AX-496, and that will be feed with the Bang Olufsen DVD1. So I'll describe each and every one in detail. Basically, why I choose these speakers, I was looking for them for a long time because they have a very good build quality. Also, they have used the tapering tube loading system on the tweeters. So this is only specific to the B&W speakers, and they use this technology only in the high-end series. This ensures a far greater absorption of unwanted radiation away from the rear of the diaphragm, and that results cleaner and more focused and natural high frequency sounds generated by this tweeter. And the bass and mid range driver is also very excellent. Basically, this is made of woven fiberglass. So the fiberglass is just mixed with the fabric, and they make the baffle. This especially idea was started long ago by the Sony in their high-end headphones, but the industry will take over, and they elegantly combine with their own research and their products in the speakers. So we have to feed them with this Yamaha amplifier AX-496. This amplifier is from 2001. It's a stereo integrated amplifier, means this has the STK chip. It's not transistor based, it's an IC chip amplifier. It has a 4-channel 85 watt per channel basically, and it can feed between 4 to 16 ohms impedance speaker, and it's quite heavy, around 10 kilos, 9.5 to 10 kilos without packing. So very heavy and a good build, and you can see all the features are just laid down very nicely. This is a volume control, next input selector. You have pure direct and CD direct, your bass, treble, balance, and all other buttons there. And this DVD one by Bang Olufsen I use as a CD player because this is a successor of Biogram CDX, and this has a use inside an excellent digital to analog converter that produce a high quality audio reproduction. That's the reason why this is one of my favorite DVD player, but I use as a CD player to play the audio CD on it because it makes very excellent sound. And they're not much available because they launched this in 2001, and they were keep on production till 2006, and they come in several colors basically, and this was not cheap. Basically they sold it 750 pounds, British pounds, and the first one was 800 pound, and later one was 750. So it's a black. This one is black. They have a silver, white, and the pearl blue, green, and the red model also. And it's also good for playing DVDs also. It's not a Blu-ray, so this just a DVD. If you want to play old DVD movies, is also very good. If you have a Bang & Olufsen TV, it will match very nicely with it, but I'm using it only to play the audio CD because of it's a excellent deck chip inside, produce excellent sound. So we're gonna do the sound test, and then afterwards what I'm gonna do, each and every component of this audio configuration I tell you separately and show you the connections on the back side. So let's just do the sound test to see how good this system works. Excellent sound. Let me turn them back so I can show you the rear side to see the connections and input configuration. So you already heard the excellent sound quality of this amplifier. Just wanted to tell you how this is laid on. This is just a power on off button, the main button, and then you have standby, and when you press this, it's on, and then it's a standby also, because it has two power outlets on the back side which can control with this button. So you can add a CD player, equalizer, tuner, MD player, tape, you name it. Two other devices up to 100 watt can be controlled with this. So here you have A and B selection of speakers, and then of course you have bass, low frequency controller, treble for the high frequency. This is the balance, and this is the loudness, which Yamaha always use from the flat to the minus 30 dB for the low frequency control. So, and here is the recording out also, you can choose, and when you turn it on, then you see the LED. So this is the input selector, this is the auxiliary, MD, and then tape, CD, DVD, tuner, and the phono. And you have pure direct input feature also, which also work for any input. And this is only direct amplifier for CD and DVD. Volume control quite smooth, regular potentiometer, good quality one. So that's how it's laid out front. Very good. I think die cast aluminum chassis. So we switch it off, and then I show you on the back side the connections. It's an excellent amplifier for the regular use. So this three I was talking about, 100 watt maximum. You can input 3 devices which you wanted to stick with this amplifier, can be controlled through the main switch. And these are a speaker output, and A and B, you can see. Let me tighten them back. Yeah, a left channel, right channel, A and B, 4 channel. And then you have also to select the impedance of a speaker, because you have a possibility to use speakers from 6 to 12 ohms, and then you can choose it basically 4 ohms, 8 ohms, or 6 ohms, or 12. You can select it from here, so it can connect it with any kind of speakers which you already have, any impedance basically. So you just match it with this button and you're good to go. Okay, these are the inputs. This is for the phono, and this is the ground for the phono. Always connect ground, even for the CD. This is always good for any harmonic distortion and pickup of other frequencies, which can get and amplified with the audio channel, and that's not good. This is CD input, of course, auxiliary, and you have a tuner, you have a tap in and tap out, you have MD in, mini disc, and MD out. That's how they laid out this amplifier, the excellent one. Now I show you the Bang Olufsen DVD1. It's an also excellent equipment. So this is the Bang & Olufsen DVD1. It has a very unique design. I can show you closely. They have a buttons here: eject, play, power on off, forward, reverse, and here I hope you can see it. Yeah, Bang & Olufsen. So you press and then CD comes out. Very nice cheeky design like always, and you have a display over there with the 3 LEDs. Bang Olufsen look like they like red display a lot, and many of their products they have this red bright display. So yeah, let me take my CD out. And then I can show you on the back side the connection on this, and this is power on off. You see it off. They are famous to produce high quality equipment. Not only high quality, but they use a very nice design also, and they are famous Danish company, use excellent quality hardware, also always class A. So you can see it. Basically this is the power input there, and you have digital output, which is the coaxial, but this digital output is only for audio, and that's the favorite part. Usually I use this digital out to feed my amplifiers, and you have analog out left and right, and you have also the SCART connection. Before the HDMI, this was the standard for the video out. You can use also, and you also have a video out here, but you can choose which standard you want, CVBS or RGB, and you have also AV out with this connection, which is not DIN, but kind of AV out. And then you can choose also if you use VCR AV out, and this is for the data to take it out. Basically with Bang & Olufsen plasma television, this can combine very nicely, and it really plays a very good quality video also on the DVD. But I keep it only to play the audio disc, because it has an excellent digital analog converter, 8-time oversampling, and the signal to noise ratio is minimum. So that is the reason. I hope you like this setup. and you like this equipment which I share, Bang Olufsen DVD1, and repurpose it as an audio CD player with the Yamaha Amplifier AX-496 from 2001 and the B&W DM303 speakers. Thank you for watching. Until next video. Bye bye.